Hello everyone and welcome back to Dulce Bakery. In this tutorial you're gonna learn how to decorate unicorn cookies for Valentine's Day. The first thing you're gonna do is to float the cookie using flat consistency royal icing in white color and a number 3 tip. I'm gonna leave the link in the description of the video of the cookie cutter that I use for these cookies. Once you have floated the cookie, you can use your scribe tool to evenly distribute the icing. Using medium consistency royal icing in a baby pink color, we're gonna start by piping the horn using a number 2 tip. If you don't have a royal icing or a sugar cookie recipe, you can find mine at www.dulcebakery.com. I'm also gonna leave the link down below in the description of the video. Once the wet icing has completely dried, which takes about 4 to 6 hours, we're gonna pipe the ears using pink medium consistency royal icing and a number 2 tip. If you want, you can use the scribe tool to shape them a little bit more. I'm going to decorate these unicorn cookies using different flowers, and this one is a cherry blossom, and you can find the video tutorial up here so you can learn how to prepare them. I'm also leaving the link up here so you can learn how to make these cute flowers. Now I'm going to mix some gold edible powder with a few drops of clear vanilla extract to paint the horn. And I'm gonna use some edible marker to paint the eyes. I'm also gonna use pink edible dust to paint the cheeks of these unicorns to make them look cuter. And for that, you're gonna need just a brush like this one. And to finish up with these cookies, I'm just going to adhere a few stars. And that's it, your cookies are ready. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media where you will find more decorating inspiration. Happy Valentine's Day and see you next time.